Hey, it's Haplin, and in this module, I'm just going to help you install the Quick Wins Snapshot. Over the course of this playbook, I'm going to be teaching you about different product areas, different features inside of HighLevel, and how to get the most out of them. Most of the actual assets that I'm building during these modules are just kind of for demonstration purposes, just to give you an idea of how that feature works. Most of the features that rely on creative, like email templates or websites or advertising, we have templates for all that stuff, so we have you covered with regard to stuff you can use right out of the box to start getting your marketing machine working. But I also wanted to include a collection of the assets that I build throughout the playbook. Even though they're just for demo purposes, it can be kind of nice to get your hands on the exact thing that I built while I was making the training. HighLevel's got a great and efficient way to do exactly that. So I have bundled all those assets up into what we call a snapshot. So first of all, make sure that you are logged into your HighLevel account, and then once you are, click the link beneath this video. It's going to take you to a page that looks like the one you see on my screen right now. Once you're here, you're just going to click Yes, Import. It'll take a little time to import, and then you will see this snapshot in your Imported Snapshots tab. So here we are under Imported Snapshots. If you're a brand new HighLevel user, you probably just have one of these, maybe another. I obviously have a big old collection here, but the only one that you need in order to get the most out of this playbook is just the Quick Wins 2025 snapshot. Once you have that snapshot, you can either build a new sub account using that snapshot, so all those assets just appear with your new sub account, or you can apply that snapshot to an existing sub account. I'm going to show you how to do both those things right now. First, to create a new sub account, click subaccounts and then create new sub account, and then it'll ask you if you want to use a snapshot, and you'll just go to imported and make sure that you use Quick Wins 2025. And then the rest of this is just building a sub account like normal, fill in some details, click add sub account, and you'll have it there. If you already have a sub account, you can apply the snapshot to that sub account by clicking sub accounts, then finding the sub account that you want to apply it to. Let's say it's rocket.net. Then you're going to click actions in the top right, load snapshot, then just find that Quick Wins 2025. There it is. Click proceed. You can decide which specific assets you want to add to that sub account. I recommend just selecting all if you're a newbie. Then it's going to check for conflicts and just click proceed one more time, and it will install all of those assets into that sub account so you can have everything that I built ready to go at your fingertips. Now, even after all this, I still highly recommend that you click the buttons alongside me as we go through these modules that are to come. It's a really great educational and empowerment experience to know that you can build a workflow from scratch, or you can set up this or that template from scratch. But having my snapshot right there alongside all the work that you're doing in that sub account is a great way for you to just be able to click a button and see exactly what I built, see my example. So please don't use this as a crutch or as an excuse not to do the work. I expect you to be pausing my modules and tabbing over to HighLevel and clicking the buttons I click, coming back, watching a little bit more, rewatching pieces that don't make sense, and implementing as you go. That's the best way to get the most out of this. And then of course, if you want really nice, well-designed, done-up templates that are way better than the stuff that I make throughout the course of my training, look for template areas inside of each feature. Email templates, funnels, websites, ads, etc. Okay, now that you have the Quick Wins snapshot imported and applied to a sub account, you can go ahead and move on.